Hello there everybody, my name is VF-24 and welcome to a brand new Speed Champions build. Today product 77250's MoneyGram Haas F1 Team VF-24 F1 car from March 2025. The 9th out of 10th car, only the McLaren left to go. I'm excited. The Haas, the ever controversial, the ever up and down Haas. You never really know what you're going to get with Haas, and last year was no exception, with today's set coming in at 242 pieces across 106 steps. So the divider is an average of 2.28 pieces per section for the VF-24, coming in at £23. A brand new sealed and unopened from Smith's Toy Superstores not long after release. Now looking at the box, you can see on the front, 242 pieces, MoneyGram Haas F1 team, the F1 jerk piece here, with the Haas F1 car on the front, driving around the Singapore looking at our circuits. On the top is side view of the VF-24, along with a soft compound tyre. On the right hand side, Lego Formula 1. On the left hand side, legal stuff. On the underneath, legal stuff. And on the back, the usual bird's eye shot, helmet and steering wheel shot, real image and rear image of the logo variant. It's a nice set, looking forward to building it. Let's open the box, get to the contents, and get to today's build. So here's everything for LEGO product 77250, Speed Champions MoneyGram Haas F1 Team VF-24 with bag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, a loose body piece, a sticker sheet with 29 numbered stickers and our instruction sheet. 1, 2. Here's everything for our first two bags of today's build with just loose parts. And finally, here's today's figurine, a bloke with a red helmet and a white Haas suit. Very nice. Three, 4. Here's everything for bags 3 and 4 with just loose parts. Five, 6. And here's everything for our final two bags of today's build with just loose parts. Here's a follow complete build for like a product 77250, Speed Champions MoneyGram Haas F1 Team VF-24. And 1, there's a mouthful. 2, a lovely build. You build the side pieces on the last 2 bags. Very interesting. Don't think it's actually happened on any of the other 8 builds. I don't think, at least not that I can remember of. 50 minutes to build. A lovely build. This is one of the better ones for sure. It seems that the worse the team, the better the build, bar maybe Red Bull. This is absolutely fantastic. Loved every single moment of it. Really easy, really simple. I enjoyed how the middle came together as well. Very fun indeed. I like these big bits on the back as well with the stickers. That is new to this Speed Champions F1 series. Very big fan of it. Very nice indeed. Red complements the black very nicely in Lego form, and it's lovely to have a 9th car. The McLaren is sitting just behind me. We're building that in the next video. Looking forward to that as well. Across all 6 bags, I've accumulated 21 spare pieces. There's 221 of the 242 allotted on the VF-24. You may use the other 21 pieces to customize your Haas as you wish. That's going to be it for today's build. As always, leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Would you burn to build the Haas VF-24? Again, it's a lovely car, lovely build. Very much enjoyed it. You will not be disappointed with paying the $22.99 for this. And as of today, the new Speed Champions have been announced. Look forward to those in August and June. With that said, I've been BDF18. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Take care.